Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I'm doing a Cricut Disney digital mystery box reveal. Yep, all of these images are going to be in Design Space after you make your purchase, and you'll have immediate access to them. And this set includes 5 licensed image sets. What does that mean? That means they are for personal use only. You cannot make items and sell them using these images. That is against the copyright laws from Disney. Okay, the other thing is it's only available in the USA. Sorry guys, if you live somewhere else, you're not going to be able to purchase this digital mystery box. That is not a Cricut rule, that is a Disney rule. This mystery box has a $180 value, but it's only $39.99 while the digital mystery box is available. It'll be only available for a short period of time. I appreciate you using my link to make your purchase. I'll have that with the description of the video. And there is no promo code for this because it's a digital mystery box, but if you are a Cricut Access subscriber, you get 10% off. If you are a Cricut Access Premium subscriber, you get 50% off. So those are definitely worth looking at. Plus now Cricut has 100,000 images in Design Space in the Access membership. It's well worth checking that out. I'll link those links to that information for you in the description of the video. Okay, so let's take a look at what's included. The first thing up is Disney's Winnie the Pooh. There's 48 images in this set, and it's got all of our favorite Pooh characters and super cute images. I love these. The first, you're going to notice that there's a couple of different kinds of images on this. So there is the traditional layered image like Tigger here, or there is what they're calling the outline image. So you would be able to cut just the outline. It would just be one single layer as opposed to this one, which is multi-layered. All right, so gives you a lot of versatility. You can also change the cut lines on this in Design Space, and you could draw with them. You could do a print and cut with them. You could make coloring books. There's all kinds of things you can do. So that is the Disney Winnie the Pooh image set. Let's look at the next image set included, and this is another Winnie the Pooh, but this one's called Sketched Vinyl. Now, this is the coolest effect I've ever seen because it gives you like the shading around the characters. It is super cool. Now, this is going to be, not your quick and fast weeding process, but I think it would be well worth it. It's kind of like a Zentangle kind of thing. But if you wanted to cut it out of vinyl, you could certainly do that. You could also change the cut line so that you could draw this if you would prefer. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one is Disney's Pixar character squares. I don't know what it is about the square, but the kids love the square. And of course, all of our favorite Pixar characters are represented here. I'll just scroll through and let you guys see them. I love some of these, are so super cute. Okay, so this has 31 different characters, and it is the Disney Pixar character squares. All right, let's look at the next image set. The next image set that's included is the Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends. So it's different than the image set that was already in Design Space. This is completely new. This has 57 images. Everybody was asking for more, full shapes, not a complete shape of the whole body, but more headshots of this basically. So some super cute images here. Obviously Disney is everybody's favorite, and there's some really adorable images in this set. I'm just kind of scrolling through to let you guys take a look. Really fun. All right, so let's look at the last one. The last one is from Disney's Toy Story 4. And this one's really cool because I mean, you could make a ton of different cute shirts. You could, layer vinyl. You could do signs to put on the wall to decorate a kid's room. This one's really neat. It has 32 images, and as you can see, it's like advertisements, or like the space alien one's really cool, or Rex, or it's different. I love the Slinky Dog. Oh my gosh, guys, you don't understand how I was obsessed with the Slinky Dog when I was a kid. Anyway, so this is really fun. Very interesting. Totally different look to these. And would be great in vinyl, iron-on. Really fun. All right, so this is the Cricut Disney Digital Mystery Box. I'll link it up in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for using my link to purchase. Please come join us in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group or the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook groups. And I hope you guys have an awesome day and happy crafting. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment. I love to get comments. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll get the next videos as they come out. And I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.